Hi friends, welcome back to channel Tecno. In this I'm going to show you best live wallpaper of the day, which is Matrix live wallpaper. Yes friends, right now as you can see, this is a kind of Matrix type of live wallpaper you can actually download from the Play Store. So which I'll try to explain you how to use this application and what are the features and what are the tips and tricks which I'll try to give you regarding this live wallpaper. So just in case if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and also do check out the playlist which I did create for the best live wallpapers of the day. So there you can actually find plenty of similar kind of live wallpapers, so which will be really amazing for you, which you can actually try and download from your Play Store. So right now the Matrix live wallpaper, the main reason why the application name has got the Matrix, because if you see the Matrix movie, you will be able to observe this kind of symbols, as you can see friends, exactly in the Google search image you can actually do here quick. So as soon as I did type the Matrix, I was able to get all this kind of images, as you can see exactly. The live wallpaper also exact represent the movie, which is the Matrix. So that's the reason the live wallpaper name also got the Matrix live wallpaper, so which you can actually download from the Play Store as well. So as you can see, so name of the application which is called the Hacker Matrix live wallpaper, as you can see friends exactly. So once you download this live wallpaper, you'll be able to get this kind of all the options where you can actually adjust. So first thing, let's talk about the number of bits you want. So this can actually increase and decrease. Let me to keep it low. So I did keep 1 bit, right? So now you can actually see the wallpaper will be changing to only single digit. So in this way you'll be able to control all the settings from the application. So I did select to the maximum number of bits. And one good thing is that there is no advertisement involved at this moment. So right now as you can see, falling speed also, you can actually control the falling speed. So how you wanted them to fall, as you can see, it's kind of really slow right at this moment. It's not that fast. Now let me try to control it using the falling speed. Let's keep it high. Now look at the speed. So in this way you'll be able to adjust the speed as well. Not only the speed, you will be able to adjust even the text size. So what is the size of the text you want? If you want big or small, and the change speed also, you want bit change speed, how frequently you want to change the speed. And next is character. This is where the things will get really interesting, because inside this character setup you do have the option which is called the custom random characters or custom exact text. Here you can actually select your own custom name as well. Right now let me to type the Sai name. Let me to go back, and you will be able to see my word Sai will be coming always, as you can see. Not only this, you can use different emojis as well, in case if you want to customize any other emojis. So this will be a really very good customization option friends, which did include. Let me decrease the falling speed. You will be able to see it very slow, as you can see. So my emoji got added here. So in this way you will be able to customize. So this will give you the unlimited possibility. So you can add whatever text you want, how many emojis you want. That's kind of really good option. So not only that, you do have the Matrix setup as well. So where you can actually set up the Matrix type of live wallpaper theme. As you can see, when these are actual the Matrix live wallpaper. So which looks really cool, right? So out of this, all of the customization, my main favorite thing is about this custom setup, which is favorite thing. So because you do get unlimited possibilities. Not only that, you do have the different color options as well. In case if you don't like to use any kind of color, you can actually pick the different colors as well. You can actually change the complete setup color. And right now, blue and red, I'm not sure whether this will be looking good, but still, just want to let you know. I think I may not be able to see anything on this one. Let me just select the black one. Maybe on the red. In case if you want to try, you can actually try like this, something like kind of this, as you can see friends. Let me try to keep the white one maybe. So it looks completely white and kind of like this, as you can see friends, which looks really cool, right? So that's friends, is the live wallpaper of the day, and make sure to hit that like and also do subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below, are you interested in this kind of live wallpaper series or not, because I'll definitely find a lot of applications and I'll try to review them. And make sure to hit that like and follow my playlist, which is live wallpaper playlist. The links will be available in the description below, so make sure to check out that link. And that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.